Today, I will introduce you to how to use chopsticks and etiquette. I will introduce you in order starting from something right, like it is enough, until this is no good. Well then, let's go. This is a basic meal of Japanese food. Rice, soup, main dish, pickles. Food is becoming more and more luxurious. Vinegar dish, shimmered dishes, and Western dish are also included. It's getting more and more luxurious. Now let's start eating. First, before you pick up your chopsticks, say itadakimasu. After the meal, gochisou-sama is served. It's basic manners. I put my hands together and say itadakimasu. Joining hands also has a religious meaning. It's okay to just put your hands on your lap and say itadakimasu. Then I'll take the chopsticks. I wish I could eat whatever I like. Basically, it's often introduced as a soup. However, if there are various side dishes, place it on a small plate before eating. In this way, you can put your favorite things on a small plate. What I am introducing now is a meal just for me. If everyone is sharing side dishes from one plate, it's going to be a little different. I'm introducing you to the case when you are alone. After placing the chopsticks on the chopstick rest, I replace the plate of side dishes I want to eat with place that is easier to eat. When drinking tea, place your chopsticks on the chopstick rest first. I've grabbed a teacup. For men, they just drink tea. For women, drink tea with your hands like this. I think this is more elegant and good. I also eat rice by holding the bowl in my hand like this. When someone hands you something, it's best to replace the bowl and chopsticks. It's quite difficult. In such an emergency, hold your chopsticks together like this. I think it would be a good idea to receive the plate and place it like this. After eating, put down your chopsticks and say, ごちそうさま. Or place your hand on your lap and say, ごちそうさま. Next, what you should not do when using chopsticks. I will introduce them in order. Now, how to use chopsticks, which is considered bad manners. I'll do it in order. 差し箸. Pierce food with chopsticks. Small potatoes are slippery and difficult to grasp with chopsticks. Stop it like this and transfer it to a small plate. I don't think it's too bad, though. Please remember that this is a minor violation of etiquette. Next, 迷い箸. Holding your chopsticks, you wonder, which one should I take? Moving back and forth over the food. Grab your chopsticks and think, which one should I take? Decide in your heart. Next, 移り箸. This is to put back the food you picked up with chopsticks and pick up a different dish. You may get confused, but even if you take the wrong thing, please take it as is. Let's not replace. Next, かき込み箸. It's eaten like this with another side dish placed on the bowl. Don't eat with the elbows propped up. In the case of ochazuke, etc., let's eat elegantly like this. Don't eat with your elbows propped up. Let's make sure there are no mistakes. Next, 寄せ箸. Moving the plate with chopsticks. This way. Easy to eat, but be careful. Please move the plate by hand. Saguri-bashi. It's about exploring the contents of a dish with chopsticks. Don't do this as it will make the food dirty. Next, ねぶり箸 is to lick food off the chopsticks. Stop licking your chopsticks like this. This is a violation of etiquette. 突き立て橋 It's about sticking your chopsticks into the rice. This is an act performed when making offerings to the deceased. When offering food at a wake or funeral, I offer it like this. Let's absolutely stop. Next manner, 拾い箸 Passing food directly from chopsticks to chopsticks. In Japan, cremation is performed, but the deceased family, when picking up bones, we perform this passing chopsticks. It's taboo because it's associated with. When receiving food, please receive it on a plate. What do you think of the etiquette and usage of chopsticks? If you worry too much, you won't enjoy eating anymore. When eating with your loved ones or friends, eat without worrying. See you next time.